Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It is January 6th. We do have, more concern around the markets this morning, being led by China, devaluing their currency or letting their currency devalue. It's putting some pressure on some global markets today. Our stock market down 270 points right now. Everything this morning looks like it's bleeding. Everything is in the red. We have the dollar that's about unchanged, but a lot of concern with China and their economy. Are they stable? Are they not? How much more are we going to see? What's going to happen there? That's got crude oil making new lows today. So the fear that China's economy is going to slow down and lack of demand for crude oil. Well, crude's down $1.37, making a new low, continuing its trend lower. Will we see that happen for the grains? So looking at things, corn down $0.0175, beans down 3.5, wheat down 2.5 cents, certainly starting off lower today. One thing I do want to say though is that when you have this kind of emotion in the morning and everything seems to be so negative in the morning that by time we close, things may end up looking a little bit different. So maybe we can find some support. We're going to find are some important levels for corn and beans. Corn, the 350 level. Beans, the 850 level. We're pretty close to those numbers, but watch those here today. Can those areas hold? Will we see some short covering, or are we going to go right through that and continue the trend, much like what we've seen happen for crude oil? So, but looking at things today, the early indication is that everything looks so negative, and you have this the sky is falling type feeling. We'll see if that can exist or last throughout the session. But a lot of times things may end up looking different by the close. So we'll see on that. Cattle starting off a little bit lower, and that's even with box beef screaming higher. Choice up another 425, select up 560. Very, very strong for wholesale beef. We don't have any cash trades as of yet. I don't have any bids for you. But watch the cash market. Cash is king right now. We've got the markets kind of pausing. The futures markets are pausing, waiting to see what kind of trade we're going to have for this week. Hogs back and forth of unchanged. Strong move yesterday, closing above some resistance areas. But we're slightly lower this morning, I think, just because of everything else being lower that we're kind of following suit. But cutout values up about 16 cents, and I expect some choppy trade out of the hogs as well. But stock market down more than 270 points. You got crude oil down $1.37 right now, and it did make a new low though this morning. And we've got the dollar up about 3 cents, so right around unchanged. But give us a call. We're here to help you out. 800-262-7538 or on the web at Allendale-inc.com. You guys have a great day out there. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.